Welcome to Belmont Machinery Company. Today we are going to be doing an instructional video of this B105S WOTAN.
So we'll start with putting a tool in spindle. Drawbar, you got your clamp and release buttons here. That's tight once it clicks. And this will be your spindle start.
Give us an overview of the headstock here. So you've got your spindle speeds.
Yep. Feed ranges, high, medium, low feed ranges, and then high and low and neutral spindle speeds.
All right, and your pendant.
So your pendant, you got E-stop, spindle start stop, spindle direction, spindle jog, headstock feed and rapid direction, table feed and rapid direction, and then you've got feed and rapid.
And that's feed start, feed stop.
Yeah, well, this is a momentary rapid only when you're pushing it, and this is on off.
Okay. All right.
So here we go, spindle start. So we got feed on right now. We got our spindle feeding out.
Spindle is feeding out. And on this machine, rapid is always opposite of the direction of feed. So it's feed out, rapid in.
So there's some different options here, mostly pertaining to spindle feed. Back to running the rest of the machine, you're going to pull the hand wheel out and then put this in I think the number 3. Bottom, I can't see it.
I think it's got to go back to
to
the center position. All right, so
now our head's feeding up with the direction. So if I go rapid right now, it'll be down. Then when you change direction. So this direction indicates your feed direction. So right now it's feeding down.
It's feeding down. And switch directions just on the fly. There you go.
And then
Try that again. Right. Moving on to the table and saddle.
So I'll put the head in a neutral feed position so that doesn't feed with it. And then you can feed so this is going to feed our table in. Let's see. Yeah, so it's feeding this way. And then you can change direction, same way. And then put that in neutral, and we can switch here to between table, saddle, and rotary. Direction. Wrap it in. Wrap it out. And then feed in.
Feeding in.
Yep. Okay. Back to neutral. Rotary. You want to make sure your clamps are released. That one right there for the rotary.
It's your rotary table clamp. So we're feeding the rotary table.
It's going pretty slow. I can put it on higher feed range, but frequencies, change direction, same way. And the spindle speeds. So we were in 320 there.
Mm-hmm.
So if we go down to the low range, let's rotate the spindle a little bit. There we go.
So this will be 40.
Yeah.
In the 20 to 125 range.
Yep.
So and the other thing you have here is you've got this A, D, corresponds to.
So it's like a really low range.
So if you wanted to do 9 RPM, you'd have to switch that over to A.
Yep. 9 to 14. And B is 20 to 1,000.
Yeah. All right. That wraps up our instructional demonstration video. Thank you for watching.